Don't keep saying goodbye to your strong legs. Don't keep saying goodbye to the days when your knees felt light, your ankles steady, and your joints flexible. Don't let swelling, stiffness, and pain be the last chapter of your story. Because today, I'm going to show you the 8 most powerful collagen foods that can reverse stiffness, reduce swelling, and rebuild your joints from the inside out. And don't think this will take years. Don't believe that change is impossible. Within weeks, many people feel their legs lighter, their knees stronger, and their steps more confident. So don't miss a second. Stay with me until the very end, because the final food is the most collagen-rich meal in the world, and most people don't even eat it. Don't scroll away. Don't think this is just another list. Because unlike powders, pills, or quick gimmicks, these are real foods, everyday items you can eat, that quietly but powerfully help your body make the collagen it desperately needs. And don't worry, you don't need a chef, you don't need to spend a fortune. You just need to know which foods to say yes to, and which ones to stop ignoring. So let's begin with number 8. Number 8, eggs. Don't throw away the yolks. So many people avoid egg yolks because they think they're unhealthy. But don't forget, the yolk is where the real collagen magic happens. Don't separate the whites from the yolks. The whites may have protein, yes, but without the yolk, your body can't make collagen properly. Egg yolks carry sulfur, vitamin D, and biotin, nutrients your body refuses to work without when it's building collagen. Without sulfur? Your body can't form the chains that hold your joints together. That means weaker ligaments, painful knees, and swelling around your ankles. So don't dry out your eggs, don't over-fry them. Instead, keep them soft, poached, soft-boiled, or gently fried in olive oil. That's how you keep the nutrients alive. Eat the yolks whole. Don't make the mistake of tossing them. Because every time you do, you're throwing away the very building blocks your joints are begging for. Number 7, pumpkin seeds. Don't underestimate something so small. Pumpkin seeds may look tiny, but don't think they're powerless. Inside, they hide minerals like zinc, magnesium, and manganese. And without those, your body can't even begin to build collagen. Don't eat them the wrong way, covered in oils and salt. Instead, soak them overnight, roast them lightly, or even crush them into your morning oatmeal or smoothie. Don't ignore how powerful these little seeds can be. Because when your knees wobble, when your ankles swell, what your body is missing may be inside a handful of pumpkin seeds. Number 6, canned salmon with bones. Don't throw away the bones. Most people eat fish and toss the very part that carries the most collagen, the bones. Don't make that mistake. Because in those soft bones, you'll find natural collagen, calcium, and gelatin that your joints desperately crave. Don't worry, they're not hard like the bones you imagine. The canning process softens them until you can mash them with a fork. Mix them into rice, salads, or even spread them on toast. Don't avoid the bones, because that's where the true healing lies. Eat the fish with the bones, and you'll be giving your body the collagen it needs to stop swelling and rebuild joint strength. Number 5, chicken skin. Don't peel it off. For years, people have been told chicken skin is bad. But don't believe the old myths. Chicken skin is one of the richest sources of the exact type of collagen your joints need. Don't throw it away, don't avoid it. When cooked gently, baked, roasted, or boiled into soups, it delivers the collagen your knees, hips, and ankles are crying for. Don't deep fry it, don't burn it. But don't waste it either. Because if you keep discarding the skin, you're discarding the cushion your joints are begging for. Number 4, gelatin. Don't confuse it with candy. Real gelatin isn't just dessert, it's cooked collagen in its purest form. Don't think your body has to work hard to use it. Gelatin is ready to absorb, ready to strengthen your ligaments, your tendons, your joints. Add it to warm water, soups, or make your own gummies. Don't stop after one try. Consistency matters. Day by day, a small scoop gives your body the material to thicken cartilage, calm swelling, and restore movement. Don't ignore gelatin, it's one of the fastest ways to feed collagen directly to your aching joints. Number 3, sardines, with skin and bones. Don't turn away because of the smell. Too many people push sardines aside, but don't underestimate these little fish. The skin and bones are filled with collagen, calcium, and elastin, the exact elements that make your joints flexible and pain-free. Don't buy them in heavy sauces or oils that strip away the benefits. Choose them packed in water or olive oil. Mash them into avocado toast, toss them into salads, mix them with herbs. Don't worry about perfection, just get them into your diet. Because every time you avoid sardines, you're avoiding one of the cheapest, most powerful collagen superfoods nature has to offer. Number 2, bone broth. Don't call it just soup. Bone broth is collagen therapy in a cup. When bones simmer for hours, they release gelatin, collagen, and minerals your joints can't live without. Don't rush it. The longer it cooks, the richer it becomes. Don't buy fake powders when you can sip real nourishment straight from the pot. Drink it daily. Don't skip. Don't say you don't have time. One warm mug each day can mean the difference between creaking joints and smooth, fluid movement. Don't underestimate the slow power of bone broth. It rebuilds your cartilage, cushions your joints, and keeps swelling down, all while warming your soul. Number 1, beef tendons. Don't ignore this one. It's not flashy, it's not trendy, but beef tendons carry the highest collagen content of any food. Don't be afraid of the name. When slow cooked, tendons become soft, rich, and packed with collagen that directly targets your knees, hips, and ankles. Simmer them with garlic, ginger, or broth until they turn jelly-like. Don't rush the process. That's when the collagen is released. Every bite is like giving your joints a new cushion, a new surface, a new strength. Don't say it's too late. Even if stiffness has been building for years, tendons have the power to restore what time has stolen. Don't rely on pills. Don't rely on quick fixes. Don't think your body is finished repairing itself. These 8 foods are nature's way of saying, you're not done yet. Egg yolks, pumpkin seeds, salmon bones, chicken skin, gelatin, sardines, bone broth, beef tendons. Don't ignore them. Don't keep letting your joints weaken day by day. Feed your body what it needs, and it will surprise you with how quickly it responds. And don't leave without telling me in the comments, which one of these foods are you going to add to your meals this week? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and stay with me for more simple ways to rebuild your strength from the inside out. Because your legs don't deserve a goodbye. They deserve a second chance.